Hey y'all, today we're making a classic Creole Cajun style Louisiana Shrimp Burger with dill remoulade. So let's get started. Let's make our dill remoulade first. We start with some good quality mayonnaise. Then we add some sour cream. Next, a bit of salted butter that is soft enough to allow it to be easily combined into the remoulade. A bit of Creole mustard. And then we incorporate well. All ingredients, measurements, and links to seasonings can be found in the description box. Next, we add some chopped pickles. These are bread and butter pickles, but use what you like, dill, sour, whatever. Then, some chopped scallion tops. A good amount of chopped fresh dill, some granulated cane sugar, table salt, some ground black pepper, and some white wine vinegar. And then we're going to combine this sauce and refrigerate until it's ready to use. Don't forget to cover it. Now these are 12 to 15 count fresh Gulf shrimp with the heads on. Start the cleaning process by locating the head joint and removing the head. Next, we open the shrimp along the spine all the way to the tail, and we remove the shell. To keep the tail intact, you want to pinch the tail spindles to decompress, and the shell slide right off with the tail intact. Then you want to remove the intestinal tract from either side of the spine. If you clean your shrimp under running water, which is usually what I do, the flow of the water helps with removal. If you need to, you can use a small knife to open the shrimp a bit more. Now, once the shrimp are clean, take about 2/3 of the shrimp and finely chop. Don't chop to the point of mushiness. We don't want mushy shrimp. Then you want to rough chop the remaining 1/3 shrimp. Now to your shrimp, you want to add some good mayonnaise, some good quality mayonnaise. Some shallot that have been finely chopped. And a bit of Creole seasoning. We use Mrs. Clotilde's certified Creole seasoning. That's some whole celery seed, ground black pepper, a bit of table salt, and some cayenne puree to give it a bit of bite. And you want to combine. Finally, we mix some plain breadcrumbs into your shrimp batter. just enough to help with binding. That's about 1/2 to 2/3 cup of plain breadcrumbs. Then you want to shape your patties to fit your buns and refrigerate for about 15 minutes before cooking. In a non-stick skillet over medium heat, you want to melt a tiny bit of butter. And then when the butter begins to foam, you want to sear the shrimp patties on both sides. That's about 2 minutes per side. Add a few drops of water to the pan and cover. And then you want to allow the patties to cook an additional 2 to 3 minutes until they're done. To your buttered and toasted bun, you want to spread a generous amount of your remoulade. Add some lettuce, a slice of Creole tomato, your shrimp patty, and top with some more dill remoulade. And then you can go to town. And there you have it, classic Louisiana shrimp burger with dill remoulade. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Consider subscribing if you like this video. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.